So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher blinking normal, heavy and quick error meaning and fix fast. So first fix is perform a hard reset. Turn off the dishwasher using the dedicated switch on the home circuit breaker panel. Then leave the power off for 3 to 5 minutes to clear the control board memory. Then turn the breaker on. Check if the lights stop flashing. Second fix is check the water supply valve. Locate the hot water shut-off valve under the kitchen sink, then verify the valve is fully open by turning it counterclockwise. Inspect the water supply line for the valve to the dishwasher. Ensure the supply line is not kinked, pinched or crushed. Third fix is inspect and clean the internal filter. Open the dishwasher door and remove the bottom of the dish rack. Then twist the cylindrical filter counterclockwise to remove it from the tub. Wash the filter under warm running water with liquid dish soap and a soft brush. Check the sump hole beneath the filter for trapped debris or hard food particle. Clear any debris found in the sump hole. Reinsert the filter and lock it in the place by twisting it counterclockwise. So fourth fix is check the overfill float switch. Locate the float in the dishwasher tub, usually near the front left corner. Then press down gently on the float to ensure it moves freely. Clean underneath the float if it feels stuck or heavy. Remove any food residue that may obstruct the float movement, preventing incorrect water blockage. Fifth fix is verify home water pressure. Turn on the hot water bucket at the kitchen sink near the dishwasher. Then observe the water flow for normal, strong water pressure. Ensure adequate water pressure to maintain dishwasher performance. Note that low water pressure may delay the dishwasher inlet valve filling. Thanks for watching.